In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly on laptop. By the end, you'll have Grammarly set up so it can help you write more clearly across your favorite apps and websites. First, open your browser and head to Grammarly.com desktop to download the app. This desktop application is what connects Grammarly to most apps on your computer, including Word, Outlook, and your web browsers. Click the download button, then run the installer that appears. Follow the on-screen prompts, it's quick and straightforward. Once it's installed, Grammarly will run in the background and integrate with supported apps automatically, so you can keep writing where you already work without switching tools. Next, add the browser extension. Go to the Chrome Web Store and look for the official Grammarly extension. Click Add to Chrome to install it. This extension is what enables Grammarly on websites like Gmail and Google Docs, so you'll get real-time feedback as you compose emails, documents, and messages online. After it's added, you should see the Grammarly icon appear in your browser toolbar, confirming that it's active. Now, sign in. Log in to your Grammarly account so your preferences and any premium features carry over to both the desktop app and the browser extension. If you are prompted to confirm permissions, go ahead and allow them so Grammarly can analyze your text where you type. Signing in once typically keeps you connected across the apps. With everything set up, start typing in a supported app or website. As you write, look for a floating green Grammarly icon sometimes. It's a simple G and other times it's a circle with a number in it. That number shows how many suggestions are available for what you've written. You'll also see subtle underlines within your text. Click the green icon to open a panel of suggestions or click directly on the underlined word or phrase to review and accept a change. When you accept a suggestion, Grammarly will replace the text for you. If a suggestion doesn't fit your intent, you can dismiss it and keep typing. You'll notice Grammarly catching spelling slips, grammar issues, and clarity problems as you go, all without interrupting your flow. In Word or Outlook, it works similarly. The icon appears while you type, and you can click into suggestions the same way. That's it. With the desktop app installed, the extension added, and your account signed in, Grammarly is ready to help no matter where you write on your laptop. Thanks for watching.